So integral 2 to 4 root over x square minus 4 upon x power 4 dx. So the numerator is in the form of root over x square minus a square. So whereby we generally substitute x is equal to a secant theta. So let us consider here, put x is equal to here x square minus 2 square, so 2 secant theta. So differentiating, so we'll have dx is equal to 2 times secant theta tan theta. Also when x is equal to 2, which implies 2 times secant theta is equal to 2, that is secant theta is equal to 1, so we can consider theta is equal to 0. And x is equal to, and when x is equal to 4, which implies 2 secant theta is equal to 4, that is secant theta is equal to 2. So secant theta is 2 means cos theta is 2, so we will be getting theta is equal to 60 degrees, that is pi by 3. So when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, we are getting theta is 0. When x is equal to 4, theta is pi by 3. So the limits are changing from 0 to pi by 3. So the integral become integral 0 to pi by 3 and root over x square minus 4, that is 4 secant square theta minus 4 upon x power 4 is nothing but 2 power 4 secant power 4 theta, and dx is equal to 2 secant theta tan theta. So which equals to 0 to pi by 3. So root over 4 times of means square root of 4 is 2, secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta, so we can write tan theta 2 tan theta upon 2 power 4, that is 16, and here secant power 4 theta into secant theta tan theta 2 times. So let us cancel here, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, and also secant theta 1 get cancelled here 3 times. So we are getting 0 to pi by 3 tan square theta, that is sin square theta by cos square theta into upon secant cube theta, means we will be getting cos cube theta in the numerator d theta. So cos square and here 3 1 times we will get, so sin square theta into, we are getting integration 0 to pi by 3 sin square theta into cos theta d theta. Now let us substitute, put sin theta is equal to some variable t, so that on differentiating, so we'll have cos theta d theta is equal to dt. Also when theta is equal to 0, so sin 0 is t is equal to sin 0, which is 0, and when theta is equal to pi by 3, so which implies t is equal to sin pi by 3, that is sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So our limits are changing from 0 to root 3 by 2. So our integral is 0 to root 3 by 2, sin square is nothing but t square into cos theta d theta is dt. So which is equal to, by applying the formula, t power 3 by 3, so over the limits 0 to root 3 by 2. So applying the upper limit here, root 3 by 2 whole to the power of 3, so 1 by 3 taken common, minus 0. So that is 1 by 3 into root 3 whole cube is 3 root 3 upon 2 cube is 8. So 3 and 3 get cancelled. So we will be getting here root 3 upon 8, and wait. So there is 1 upon 4, I have forgotten to write. So this is 1 upon 4 times. So here also 1 upon 4, I'm sorry. So that we'll be getting root 3 upon 4 8s are 32. Root 3 upon 32 is the answer. Okay, thank you.